सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Om. Page 147, verse 62. जीवात्मनिर्गमे देहम् मरणस्यात्र दर्शनात् देहातिरिक्त एवात्मेति आहुर्लोकायताः परे. In this Vedantic teaching, the main practice is viveka, discrimination. Viveka between the real and unreal. This is the primary job of every Vedantic student. Satyam and Mithya. What is real? What is unreal? We have to do this classification all the way, at all places. This classification, this discrimination helps us to do Bhagatyaga Lakshana. This discrimination, this Viveka, what is real, what is unreal, helps us to do Bhagatyaga Lakshana. So Lakshyartha, you have to take, Vachyartha, you have to give up. In this context, what is that Viveka, Vidyaranya teaching us? Satya Kutastha Chaitanyam, that which refers with the Swam. That is the one principle, which is Satyam Kutastham or Adhara Chaitanyam, which is real, or Sakshi Chaitanyam. The second component in this discrimination is the Anrita Amsha, Mithya Chidabhasa Amsha, Chidabhasa Chaitanyam. Anrita or Mithya Chidabhasam, reflected consciousness, which is known as Aham. In this context, in this Vidyaranya's portion, that Ahankara Chidabhasa is given the name Aham. Ahankara. That alone is called as Jivaha. So the Jivatvam, Jivahood is Mithya. The Jiva status is only from the standpoint of Kutastha, Sakshi, Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam, Satya Chaitanyam. From that standpoint only Jiva name given. From original face standpoint only reflected face. If original face is not there, where is the question of reflected face? Is there Tatparya in reflected face? Is there any importance to the reflected face? Of course, it helps us to know the original face. Other than that, what importance we can give to that? It helps me to know my original face, to place the bindi, to apply powder. It is helpful, but it doesn't have reality. I cannot say it is helping me to see my original face, to decorate my original face. Therefore, reflected face is real. Can you say that? It is helping me from womb to tomb. Therefore, I consider reflected face real. Therefore, let me do Pattabhishekam. Never. I am very much clear that reflected face is useful. Very much useful. At the same time, I have the knowledge that is very much unreal. Very much useful, very much unreal. Same way, this Jivahood, Ahankara, is useful to recognize me, the Kutastha Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam. This Abhasa Chaitanyam, reflected consciousness, body, mind, complex, the entire mechanism helping me to recognize me, the Kutastha Chaitanyam, Adhara Chaitanyam. With the help of Abhasa Chaitanyam, I am recognizing Adhara Chaitanyam. I have to claim I am Adhara Chaitanyam. The Abhasa Chaitanyam, Ahankara, Anrita, Mithya, Ahankara is my reflection. It is only my reflection. This is called discriminative knowledge. Satya Mithya Vivekaha. Satya Mithya Viveka. Kutastha Abhasa Viveka. Purusha Jiva Vivekaha. If this Viveka is there, whatever happens in this Jiva hood, Abhasa Chaitanyam, in Ahankara, body, mind complex, it is a drama. It will not afflict me. I accept whatever is happening in the Abhasa Chaitanyam, body, mind complex. It is bound to happen. I have no control. I have no total control over Anatma, Mithya, body, mind complex. Therefore, I should not give utmost importance to unreal. Which is unreal, body, mind complex, Ahankara, Vyavahara it is doing almost it is beyond my steering. Physical body beyond my steering, weight is beyond my steering, health is beyond my steering, mind also beyond my steering, my God. Intellect sollave venda, last class I don't remember. It is not in my hands steering. Therefore, in spite of all these defects, fortunately, I am not affected by them. I, the original consciousness, allow them, the body, mind, medium, work as its own capacity. So there is no limitation problem. There is no dissatisfaction problem. She is so intelligent, I am not intelligent, no problem. Because that intelligence also my intelligence only. This unintelligence also my own unintelligence. Only, I am only reflecting both of them. The person who is getting Nobel Prize laureate, that brilliance, I am only reflecting as a consciousness in that body. This person who is the dullest person, also I am only reflecting in this body. Really speaking, I am neither brilliant nor dull. I am the one who is illumining the brilliance in that medium, dullness in this medium. Nimmadi. Out of competition. I am out of competition. I am not in football game. Unfortunately, people do not know this. Who knows? Only Panchadashi student knows. Pamara Janaha, illiterate people, those who are not exposed to Shastra, they do not know. Not only that, even some scholars who are exposed to Shastra also, they are also confused and confounded. And they bring their own philosophy. That philosophy is Vidyaranya presenting one by one. Who is this Kutastha Chaitanyam? Sat, Chit, Ananda, we say, Shastra says. But these scholars, some of them, like Charvakas, Virochana philosophy, says Dehatma Vadi, Dehameva Atma. Deham alone is Atma. Annarasamayaha Purushaha, they say, Sava Esha Purushonnarasamayaha. They quote that. So, but in 62, Dehatmavada is refuted. So, Vidyaranya is not refuting any philosophy because later philosopher refute the previous philosopher. That's why Vidyaranya is not refuting anything. So, now here, one person comes here, Lokayatikaha, they come and refute the Charvaka Virochana Matam. there is something which remains after the fall of the body. Therefore, I don't accept Deha as Atma. Dehatmavada over with the 61 sloka number, and 62 he is taking another philosopher who is refuting Dehatmavada. This Lokayata says there is something Sharira Vinirgame, Jivatma Nirgame. Jivatma means if you are taking this Jiva who is the body, no? Atma, Deha Atma, Nirgame Dehaha, Deha Maranam Maranasya Atra Jivatma Darshanat. So Jivatma means here Sukshma Shariram. Sukshma Jiva whom we are calling that Ahankara. That Ahankara continues. See, Sthula Shariram only dies. Sukshma Shariram continues after the fall of the body. So, Sarirasya, Deha, Maranasya, after death, Atra, when the person dies, Kim Darshayati, Jivatma Darshanat. So, someone is continuing after the fall of the body. That is why this Shraddha Karma Tarpana Mandal we are doing to someone else, not to this gross body. Why? If the person is gross body, you need not do Shraddha and Tarpana. In all out, once for all gone. Why Shraddha Tarpana? Shastra says, person has left only the Sthula Shariram, outer shell, but the Jiva inside the Sukshma Shariram continues with samskaras, 19 faculties travel. Pancha Jnanendriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Pranadayaha, Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, whole package travel. In Chandogya, we saw that bullock cart. In the bullock cart, when you are shifting your house, what do? You put all your things, no? Sofa set, biruva, fridge, all, whatever you have, everything you pack and keep on that bullock cart. Now only van and all you are keeping. Those days bullock cart. When because you have vacated this house. This house you have vacated. This tenement you have vacated and you are taking your all things and you are going to enter into another house. And you go there and open the packets, all packets. Whatever you have packed, you open and keep everything at its own place. Houses, they construct that way. This is the fridge place. This is the TV place. This is the dining table place. You go and exactly open that. And the packing, first. Okay, the dining table place, the dining table packet they keep. TV packet in the TV place. Fridge packet in the fridge place. Like that they keep. Like that, story is very nice. While going that cart, it makes noise. Okay, it makes nice kirr, kirr, kirr and sound. Remember, Chandogya, those who have attended by Chandogya class, you can remember. That makes, the cart makes the noise. And that all things go into take another new house. He has paid already rent, advance also, 1.5 lakh. Okay, that is called Punyam. Punyam currency, you pay and join in a tenant, join in the tenement. Like that, all these packages packed, left this tenement body. Because rent is over here in this house. Lease over. Better. Lease is over. Now he has to shift to another place. That until that person reach which house he reaches, we do not know. Therefore, travel பண்ணும்போது food packet pack பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். இல்லையா? Shraddha Tarpana is for that only. We do what our Shraddha Tarpana. And the travel, Sukshma Sarira traveling until it enters another body, whatever you give the packet, food packet, Shraddha Tarpanam, they consume that. When they enter into that house, we do not know. Here means they will write a letter to us, send a mail. We have opened our packets, we have opened kitchen room also. Now you need not send any food for us. Something he will send letter here. But in the all out, when he is entering another body, we do not know. So lifelong this person has to do, the son, he has to do Shraddha Tarpanam to that departed soul. That's what he is telling. Deha maranasya atra jivatma darshanat. Dehatirikta eva atma iti. Atma is deha atiriktaha. Atma is not deha, it is different from deha. Atirikta means different. Atma is different from this deha. Who says, pare lokayataha ahuhu. Ahuhu. They say, pare lokayataha. Some other people who are known as lokayataha. It's another system of philosophy. They say, that soul continues, Jivatma continues after the fall of the body. Here, Ahuhu is a Brunj Dhatu. Brunj Dhatu has got two forms. Braviti, Aha, Brutaha, Ahatuhu, Bruvanti, Ahuhu. So, Pradhama, Lat Pradhama, Bahuvachanam. Aha, Ahatuhu, Ahuhu. Pradhama, Bahuvachanam. Similarly, one more dhatu also in the 60th shloka I didn't give. Jaguhu is there. 60th shloka, first line, last word, Jaguhu. They declare, they say, they utter what? Jaguhu means Gai dhatu, that is, Gai dhatu, Jagau, Jagatuhu, Jaguhu. Lit Pradhama Purusha Bahuvachanam. Jagau, Jagatuhu, Jaguhu. Not Jagu. Okay, Jaguhu. They say that. Next shloka we will read. Lokayataha, they call them as advanced Charvaka. Advanced Charvaka. Okay. Now if anyone question how you, now next comes, how do you know what is the proof? What is the proof that something travels, something left after the body? How do you know what is the proof? There is a Pratyaksha Anubhavam, he says. So they are called Indriyatmavadis. Next comes, in 64th only Indriyatmavadi comes. Here, this 63rd shloka, this person do not know this, what is traveling, that Sukshma Sariram, borrowed sentiency from consciousness, they do not know. They think that is real. What is traveling is real, that Jivatma is real. Chidabhasa. Abhasa Chaitanyam, Jivatma is real, they take. What we say in Vedanta, Jivatma is reflected consciousness. It has borrowed the sentiency from original consciousness. It doesn't have its reality. How can it be real? He is expecting our question and answering in the 63, shloka number 63. He is giving answer. Pratyaksha Anubhavam is there. How do you say now? Now we come to the 63rd shloka. Pratyakshvatvena bhimata aham dhirdhehatirekinam gamayedindriyatmanam vachmityadi prayogatah. Now, in this shloka itself, we are taking the Indriyatmavada. Dehatmavada is over. Now, Indriyatmavada comes here. How do you know what is the pramanam? They say pratyakshena. Pratyakshatvena abhimata aham dhihi. Pratyakshatvena means with the direct means of knowledge. With the direct, pratyaksha means direct. Pratyakshatvena abhimata, with the direct means of knowledge, like instrument of knowledge, etc. Aham dhihi. Aham dhihi means instrument of knowledge. Aham dhihi deha atirekinam. That aham dhihi, I speak, I talk, I see, we say. So, deha atirikta indriyas are only atma. Indriyams means sense organs. Sense organs, vagindriyam, chakshurindriyam, they are only when the mouth is speaking, what I say? I speak. When eyes are seeing, what I say? I see. I see. I see. When legs are walking, what do you say? I am walking. Hand is writing, what do you say? I am writing. Samanadhikaranam. Samanadhikaranam means I take that mouth, myself, both are one and the same. So sense organs are only, I am referring to I. When mouth is speaking, I have to say what? Mouth is speaking, I should say. But I say what? I speak. I see. That means what? Sense organs only referring to I. I is Atma. Therefore, sense organs are all called as Atma. Pratyakshatvena. Directly, you are also having the same experience. I also have the same experience. Tongue is tasting. What do you say? I am tasting. I am sleeping. For everything I am only we are using. I smell. I taste. I touch. That I you are combining all the time samanadhikaranyam. I speak. I taste. I see. I walk. I write. Samanadhikaranam means the same locus, same place. Therefore, pratyakshatvena abhimata aham dhihi deha atirekinam. Deha atirekinam means different from the body. Gamayet, may you accept. What? Indriyatmanam. Indriyas, sense organs, as Atma, may you accept. Gamayet means bodhayet. Vinapayet. They are revealing. Atmanam, they are revealing. Atmanam, Indriya Atmanam Gamayet. Indriyas are revealing the Atma, anartham. Indriyas, sense organs are revealing the Atma. How example is giving? Watch me. Watch me means what? Watch me kadala. Watch me. Watch me. Watch dhatu. Vach dhatu, 1P, Uttama Purusha, Ekavachanam. Vach me. I speak. Ityadi prayogataha. Ityadi means etc. I see. I speak. I see. Aham vach me. Vach me, Uttama Purusha, you have to add what? Aham. Aham vach me. I speak. Aham pashyami. I see. Like that, you use ityadi, prayogataha, expressions are there, such as prayoga means such expressions. The senses to be the self, atmanam, indriya atmanam, the senses to be self, as self, that expressions are there in the day-to-day life. Adipadat aham pashyami. Aham likhami, aham vadami, aham gacchami. And every day, everyone expressing like this prayogataha. This prayoga is there in one's life, every day, day-to-day life. Therefore, what? I take sense organs as Atma. I means what? Self. When I speak, the speech belongs to sense organ. Seeing belongs to sense organ. Smelling belongs to sense organ. Eye and sense organ put together. Philosophy, Indriyatmavadi in artha. So, Dehatmavadi over. Dehatmavadilla two types. Sthula Dehatmavadi, Sukshma Dehatmavadi. Lokayata 62, advanced Charvaka. Advanced Charvaka enna artham? Traveled Charvaka in artham. First Charvaka takes only gross body and not non-traveling Deha. Advanced Charvaka is advanced means going forward, promotion. Higher lokas he is going, no? Therefore, advanced Charvaka is Sukshma Deha Atmavadi, you can take. Sukshma Deha Atmavadi. Whole world is advanced Charvaka. All people, maximum people, our poitar, our kalambitar, poitar. Our air, our poitar and our air, and our da Sukshma Sarira. Package. With the package he went without outer shell. That's all. That's why you are not able to see. You are able to see my husband, my son, my daughter, as long as they have outer shell. When they give up outer shell, நீ யாரோ நான் யாரோ யாரு யாரோ அப்படிதான் ஆகும் லைஃபு. இந்த கிராஸ் பாடி இருக்கிறவருக்கு தான் இந்த ரிலேஷன் எல்லாமே. ஸோ தேகாத்மா, ஸ்தூல தேகாத்மவாதி, சூக்ஷ்ம தேகாத்மவாதி, தென் இந்திரியாத்மவாதி. 3 ஓவர். எல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஷன்ஸ். இதெல்லாம் படிக்கணும் நம்ம. அதுதான் என்ன பண்றது. நெக்ஸ்ட், he is going to justify. We question how the sense organs can be atma. Sense organs happens to be jadam. They are products. They are made out of 5 elements. 5 elements are inert. When 5 elements are inert and the sense organs are born out of 5 elements, therefore they are also inert. How inert sense organs can be the Atma, the Chaitanyam? Atma definition is what? Chaitanyam, sentient. How the sense organs can be sentient? You are telling sense organs are Atma. Suppose if we ask, and the question, keeping that question in the mind, he is answering in 64. No. Sense organs are also have sentiency because they are talking with prana. In Shruti, in Upanishad, there are mantras, sense organs and prana, discussion, dialogue, fighting also. Don't you know that? He is asking. 64. Vagadinam indriyanam kalaha shrutishu shrutaha tena chaitanyametesham atmatvam tata evahi. Achetana bhuta karyatvat indriyanam achetanam. We say, objection, your honor. What is objection? Indriyas cannot be, indriyams enna theriyumillo, sense organs, cannot be Atma. Atma is sentient. Achetana bhuta karyatvat. Achetana means, it is not there in the sloka, I am telling. Achetana bhuta karyatvat. Achetana means insentient. Bhuta means 5 elements. Tattva bodha, do you remember? What is Tattva bodha? Don't ask me. Like that, one person went to check up his eyes to the eye doctor. And doctor kept, the board they keep, they write letters, alphabet letters. They ask this person to read the letters. Doctor asked him, can you read those letters on the board? And this person said, where is the board? Where is the board? After seeing board only I can read letters. Adi madri, I am asking you, I hope you know all the sense organs. And you are all nodding head. I hope you know where sense organs discussed in Tattva Bodha. If you ask where is Tattva Bodha, What is Tattva Bodha? If you ask, I am in trouble. Okay. Tattva Bodha, these are all basics. So, Vagadinam Indriyanam. Vagadi means Vak, Pani, Pada, Payu, Upastha, Chakshurindriyam, Srotrindriyam, all Indriyams. Vagadinam. Vak means speech, etc. Indriyanam. Kalahaha Shrutishu Shrutaha. Kalahaha means fighting, quarrel. Kalaha means quarrel. Kalahaha Shrutishu in Chandogya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, this quarrel comes. So one day, sense organs are all fighting each other. If I am not there, you cannot survive. Eyes are claiming, I am only powerful. If I am not there, you all useless. Who hear, smell, taste, touch, all are useless. They said, who said you are great? Go. 1 year it went out. Then eyes came back. How you lived without me? Then all they said, just like blind person we lived. Without you also we have survived. All other organs said, it seems. Then who is great now? Ears said, I am only great. If I go out, you all cannot survive. Okay, go outside. 1 year, ears went out. Taking leave, holiday. 1 month, May holiday. Then after 1 year, ears came. And how you lived without me? You do not know anything. Then they said, we all happily lived. Really, if you are not there only, we have lived happily. Like a deaf person, we lived. Like that, each organ went out, all of them survived. That story was there in the that Upanishad. That means if they are not sentient, how they can talk each other? This is the question. See how intelligent this fellow. If they are not sentient, how they can quarrel each other? An insentient entity quarrel or sentient entity quarrel? Sentient only quarrel. Shrutishu Shrutaha. We heard that in Shruti, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Tena Chaitanyam Etesham Atmatvam. Tena, because of that arguments, because of that dialogues, because of that quarrel between them, each sense organ, how they come to know to go outside 1 year, they all went to Prajapati, Brahmaji, who created. See, big fight in between us, who is great among us. Then Brahmaji only suggested, why each one go outside 1 year. Who is great, then you come to know who is great. None of them are great. That story happens. That's why Upanishad, a lot of stories comes. Okay, you can enjoy. Tena, because of that dialogue quarrel, Chaitanyam etesham indriyanam, for these sense organs, there is Chaitanyam, sentiency, you have to infer. Because they have done big fight, quarrel, dialogue. That is why Atmatvam. Since they have that Chaitanyam, because of that only they quarrel each other. Therefore, they must have Chaitanyam. Therefore, they are having the Atmatvam status. We can call them as Atma. Tataha evahi. Tataha means because of this reason only, sense organs are known as Atma. Then next one person comes. Who is that? Hiranyagarbha Pranatmavadi. We'll read the shloka. 65. Hiranyagarbha Pranatma Vadinastveva Muchire Chakshuradyakshalopepi Pranasatve tu jivati. In that story, further it goes. Who is great? Each one is trying to go out, everyone, whole body is surviving. But when prana want to go out, prana trying to grow out, all sense organs becoming one by one, weaker and weaker. So that this Pranatmavadi comes, further see the story. He is telling, hey, don't stop the story with sense organs. Further story continues. Prana is the superior most. Jeshtatvam, Sreshtatvam, Prana, not sense organs. Therefore, Prana alone is Atma. Even Prana is there only the sense organs can function. Without prana, they cannot function. If sense organs are not there, one or other, like handicapped person can survive. If prana is not there, handicapped person survive. If eyes are not there, like a blind person, he survive. Tongue is not working, like a dumb person, he survive. Ears are not functioning, like a deaf person, he survive. Legs are not there, he can go by wheelchair. Hands are not there, artificial hand they will keep. But prana is not there, who will keep prana? So, prana alone is Atma. Hiranyagarbhaha means Hiranyagarbhavadinaha. Hiranyagarbha means Samashti prana. Hiranyagarbhaha. Pranatma vadinaha. Pranaha eva Atma. Anyontara Atma Pranamayaha. That is, they take that Taittiriya quote. They quote Taittiriya. Even Prashnopanishad also, they quote Anyontara Atma Pranamayaha from Taittiriya. Then Pranadayaha eva etasmin pure jagrati. Prashnopanishad. Pranadayaha eva etasmin pure jagrati. Because of prana alone, this person is surviving. When he is in sleep, deep sleep, how he is surviving? He is surviving because of prana. That is the argument, this person's argument. Hiranyagarbhaha pranatmavadinaha tu. That tu is not clear. Takara is not clearly there. You write down takara. Sa, saka, half sa, half ta and va ekara. Stve. How you have to split that stve? Pranatma vadinaha visarga tu evam uchire. How difficult to split. Tvevam uchire irka. Tvevam uchire. Tu evam uchire. In this manner, uchire, they declare, they talk. Uchire. This is brunj dhatu, not vach dhatu. Vach is parasmaipadi. Here brunj is ubhayapadi. Brunj, uche, uchate, uchire. 2p. Okay, here 2p. Not 2p. 2p is vach dhatu. Brunj dhatu, you have to take 2u. In the grammar talavali, okay, for grammar students. 2p is vach dhatu. Here brunj dhatu also 2u, it has got two forms. Ahuhu I said there. Here uche, uchate, uchire is another form of brunj dhatu. Okay. Chakshuradi aksha lope api. Aksha means all sense organs considered as aksha. Aksha is equal to any sense organ is called aksha, not eyes here. Chakshu is already said for eyes. Chakshuradi adipadat aksha. Adi aksha, etc. sense organs. If eyes are not there, he is a blind person. Ears are not there, he is a deaf person. Tongue is not there, he is a dumb person. Aksha. Lope api. Lope means when they are absence. When they are absent. We are seeing so many people without sense organs. But they are surviving or not? They are surviving. Lope api prana sattve tu jivati. You can understand very simple. Prana sattve tu jivati. Then kannu vaangara, kane kaadu vaangara nu solla maata. Veer vaangara nu solla. Illaya? Veer vaangara. In the sixth pranam, no? my sixth prana. Pancha pranas already there. My son is my sixth prana. Why can't you say first prana? Sixth prana. How much my prana is important? Adu Vidyaranyar sollala. Na solren chumma. I love my son so much. How much is like my sixth prana? What are the 5 pranas? Apana, Vyana, Samana, Udana. Along with the 5 pranas, this is another prana. If these pranas are not there, I cannot survive. If my son is not there, I cannot survive. If you don't want moksha, no, I don't want moksha. I want my son only. That means what? Prana is very important. Prana, sattve tu jivati. Therefore what? How sense organs can be? Atma. So, pranatmavadi refute Indriyatmavadi. Indriyatmavadi refuted Dehatmavadi. Stula Dehatmavadi refuted Sukshma Dehatmavadi refuted Sthula Dehatmavadi. Appa Vidyaranyar enna pannano? Onnu panna venda. That's why he is not negating anyone. They are each even negating each other. Isn't it? அதனால நம்ம பெரிய விசாரம் பண்ண வேண்டாம், எல்லாம் பொய் தானே, மித்யா. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா 66. பிராணோ ஜாகர்த்தி சுப்தேபி பிராணஸ்ரைஷ்ட்யாதிகம் ஸ்ருதம் கோஷः பிராணமயः சம்யக் விஸ்தரேண பிரபஞ்சிதः. Prana, he is giving the reason, hetu. How I am standing upon this opinion, prana is Atma because of Shruti. Shruti talks about prana in a so high esteem that is Sreshtatvam, Jeshtatvam, all are given to that. When prana want to go away from that, the Upanishad gives a beautiful example also. When the horse want to pull, it is pulling whole that rod it is pulling, it is trying to go away. Like that, when prana is trying to go away, all these sense organs like 4 legs madre, they are also pulled. When horse is pulled, it tied to one pole. Pole comes or not? Horse is so strong, when it is pulling along with rope or chain, that pole to which they have tied, that also will come. Suppose you pull one leg, all other legs also moves or not? If I pull this side carpet, you all you all move. Yes or no? If I pull your one leg, can you stand? You cannot stand. Similarly, one prana is pulled out, all other sense organs are also pulled out. That much powerful. The story continues further. Prana is Jyeshtaha, means prana is first born than sense organs. Jyeshtaha means always elderly person, give respect. Prana is born first before sense organs. Pranas is the karanam and indriyams comes under karyam. Therefore, pranaha jagarti suptepi. Suptepi means when the person is sleeping, even though person is sleeping, prana is awake. Awake or not? Yesterday when we were sleeping, when we were sleeping, prana is very much awake. Jagarti. Jagru dhatu. Jagrati, jagrataha, jagrati. Jagarti, pradhama ekavachanam. Lat pradhama purusha ekavachanam. 2p. Jagarti. Supte api. But sense organs are not jagarti. They are not jagrati. Bahuvachanam. Jagrati. They are not awake. Why? Eyes are closed. Ears are closed. All sense organs are resting. But who is not taking rest? Prana is working. Thank God. Okay. Supti api jagarti pranaha. See the reason. Genuine reason he is giving. Pranaha sraishthyadikam srutam. Sraishthyam means sreshtaha. Because of these sense organs are functioning because of prana, one reason. While person is sleeping, even though sense organs are not functioning, prana is awake like a watchdog. Some people, they watch all the time. They should not sleep. Like our soldiers, border, they are not supposed to sleep. Okay, they are always walking, no? This side and that side. Like that, prana is always watching. Otherwise, this person will, tomorrow he won't get up. Therefore, prana is alive, waking. Pranaha sreshthadikam. Sreshthasya bhavaha sraishthyam. Adipadat jyeshthatvam also. And firstborn, therefore it is sreshtaha, because it is keeping the body alive even when sense organs are taking rest. Shrutam. Shrutam means in Shruti we heard this. It is Adipadat Jyeshthatvam. Koshaha Pranamayaha. Anyontara Pranamayaha. That is also there. Taittiriya Upanishad, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, all those Chandogya Upanishad, so many mantras are there. Tasmat Etasmat Annarasamayat, there Anyontaraatma Pranamayaha, it comes. Indriya, later prana, all this Udgita Brahmanam in Brihadaranyaka it comes. In Jyotishchoga Yaga time, all these sense organs, the Devatas, a big story, you go and read that story. I don't want to tell the story. You are supposed to know the Upanishad. Okay, Koshaha Pranamayaha Samyak Vistarena Prapanchitaha. Prapanchitaha means explained, enumerated, mentioned. Samyak Vistarena, clearly, elaborately. Mana Atmeti Manyante Upasana Parajanaham Pranasya bhoktruta spashtam bhoktrutvam manasastataham. So we need not refute Pranatmavadi. Why? Mana-atmavadi comes and refute Pranatmavadi. இது மாதிரி பார்க்கணும். So when other people are refuting each other, we need not do anything. Vidyaranya just watching how they are fighting each other, refuting each other. So Mana-atmavadi comes. Don't you know that Taittiriya Upanishad, Manas alone is Antaraha, Abhyantaraha, inside the prana. The reason he gives, he is Mana-atmavadi. Mind alone is Atma. Mind alone is Atma. I have Shruti support. You have Shruti support, you are telling. I also have Shruti support. Same Shruti support, next line. Taittiriya Upanishad, same mantra, next line is supporting me. He says, Mana Atma iti manyante. Manyante, because of Sandhi rule, Ekara is dropped. Manyante. They consider. Who are they? Janaha, people. Who are those people? Upasana paraha, those who take this meditation. Dhyanam. They are all meditation when you do. It is a mental process, no? That's why Upasana paraha means those people who are always doing meditation. Prana doing meditation, mind is doing meditation. Mind is only involved in the meditation, not prana. Okay, mind alone is important. Pranasya abhoktruta. Why I am considering this mind as Atma? Because prana doesn't have bhoktrutvam, enjoyerhood. Mind alone is having enjoyerhood. However much you give food to this Jataragni prana, he is fighting Jataragni, because of that only he is surviving. Jataragni, you provide food, mango juice is nice. Who says? Bhoktrutvam is for Jataragni or mind? Mango juice, Alfonso, some Banginipalli, something you eat. This prana is enjoying or mind is enjoying? Mind only enjoy. So bhoktruta is for mind only. Prana ka bhoktrutva illa. Enjoyership is not there. Abhoktruta. There is no bhoktrutvam. Abhoktruta spashta. Very clear. Which prana is coming and telling it's very nice food today. Prana is swaha. You are giving only to prana, but prana is not a bhokta. Whatever you provide, it is only hunger. It is having hunger and thirst, but it never say, I am very happy, now you have given water, you have given me food. It never says. Who says? Mind. Aha. Roman anna irukkenna. Spashta. Daily 3 times you are eating. It is very clear. Spashta, very clear. Bhoktrutvam manasaha tataha. Tataha, therefore, bhoktrutvam, the enjoyerhood, enjoying that status, who is having? Mind only having. என்ன சுவாமி எங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் தெரிகிறது, இவனுக்கு தெரியலையா நீங்க கேட்கிறேன். But they are all happy with their philosophy. Okay. Who are they? Don't think they are somewhere. They are around us. Around us are not here in the class, outside. Mind alone is. He is giving further reason. What reason? Manayeva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoh shruto manomayah koshah tenatmetiritam manah. Mind alone is bhokta. Therefore, I am bhokta, the enjoyer. What do you say? I am enjoyer. Mind alone enjoying. Therefore, I am mind. What is the law? Mind is enjoyer. And how you say? I am enjoying. So, mind alone enjoying. Therefore, I am mind. I am mind means mana atma. Mana eva atma. I have support. Mana eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoh. Mind alone is the cause for bondage and liberation. Bandha means bondage. Moksha means liberation. Karanam means is the cause. Who? Mind alone. For whom? Manushyanam. Not for buffalo or elephant. Okay, manushyanam. A healthy mind, a positive mind, a mind which is controlling the sense organs and pranayama control, prana control, mind control, shama is mind control. Okay, prana control and dhamma, indriya control are done by the mind. So therefore mind, that mind which is conquered mind is moksha karanam. Unconquered mind is bandha karanam. This is also said by Shastra. Therefore, uddhared atmanatmanam. Krishna also said, அவர் சொல்லலை, நான் ஆட் பண்றேன். ஓகே, ஸ்ருதஹ மனோமயஹ கோஷஹ. So, manomaya kosha also presented. Sense pleasures, if mind is obsessed with sense pleasures, that mind cause for bondage. If sense pleasures are only a luxury for that such a mind, that mind is a healthy mind. It is a liberation causing mind. It is a healthy mind. Manomayaha koshaha is given. Tena atma iti iritam manaha. Anyontara atma manomayaha. Therefore, mind alone is atma. Iritam means said in Taittiriyopanishad. Vijnanamatmeti param namatmeti paraha ahukshanikavadinaha yato vijnanamulatvam manaso gamyate sputam mind is not Atma, Vijnanam alone is Atma. One type of Buddhist, Yogachara Buddhist comes and tells, mind is not Atma, he need not talk about prana. Why? Mana-Atmavadi refuted prana already. Therefore, he wants to refute only Mana-Atmavadi. Vijnana-Atmavadi says, Buddhi alone is important. He is taking Buddhi here, Aham Vritti, Idam Vritti. First Aham Vritti comes only, Idam Vritti, then only your mind start functioning. First I, the Vijnana Atma alone is first and the foremost. Nischayatmika Buddhihi. Your mind is what? Samshayatmika Manaha. Illa samshayandana irukka manaskulla. And the samshayamana or manasu poi Atmani solriye. Enna sollano? Vijnanam only Atma. That we'll see in the next class. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.